Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the crisper drawer roller in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because your crisper drawer isn't properly going into its place, or because the roller is damaged. For this repair, we'll be using a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So what we're going to do is open both of our doors up. And now I'm going to take the drawers out, and those just slide straight out. And now we're going to take this shelf out carefully. This shelf is just a glass shelf, so we don't want to drop it or damage it in any way. Now we'll take out the middle shelf support. There we go. So our rollers are going to be both on the crisper drawer itself, right here on either side, or right on here on the support. So I'm going to demonstrate on the support. So we're going to lift that up and pull it out. And what we need to do is use a pair of needle nose pliers. And then just get inside here and squeeze the axle so that that goes through. And then you can just push that through and catch it on the other side. And once that axle's out, you can grab the wheel here and pull that roller out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement roller. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to put our roller back in place and line up that hole there. And now you're just going to make sure that the hole is completely lined up. And we're going to put our axle into place, and that'll just push through and it snaps in. And now we'll put our support back into place, and that just lines up right there and pushes in. And then slides right down. Now we'll put our shelf back into place. And you're going to want to make sure that the rounded end that has the cutout back here goes towards the back. And once you've got it in place, it should sit on both the supports on either end. And now we can put our glass shelf back into place. Just angling it because the doors are wide. And once you've got it in there, gently set it on the shelf, just like that. Now we're going to put our crisper drawers back in. And what you're going to want to do is just make sure the wheels on either side line up with the track there so it slides in nice and easy. Same thing on this side. I'm just lining up those wheels with the track. And you'll see right there it wasn't lined up, so it didn't go in. We'll try it again. And there we go. Now we can close our refrigerator doors. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.